Good morning, dear children. So today we will start next question. Find the square root of decimal numbers. Okay. So first number is 51.84. Got. So let's first of all we will pair up like this. Okay. Now we will check 51. Now 7 sevens are 49. Okay, because here 51, which one number it is coming between square of 7 and square of 8. Okay, so we will take this square of 7. 7 sevens are 49. This, and here we will add them, we will get 14. Okay, so after subtracting 51 and 49 we get 2, and this decimal we will put here, and 84 we will write here. Whole pair we will write here. Okay, now we will check it with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So it is coming 2. With the 2, 284. Okay, so what is the square root of 51.84? How much? It is 7.2. So at last what we will write? Square root of 51.84 is 7.2. Got? Now let's take this one number, 445.21. Again we will pair up. We will start pairing from right hand side. Okay. This one. It is 2 2s are 4. It will be 0, and whole pair we will write here. This 2 we will add. It will come 4. Now 4 1s are. This one 41, and here this is 4. Now see beta, we will write down whole pair. Okay, whole pair we will write down. This one, it will become 42. Okay, and now we are writing here whole pair, so we will put decimal here. Okay, so here it is 42, here it is 421. So after taking 1, we will get this 421. Okay, so what is the square root of 445.21 is 21.1. Got? Next question is, find the least number which must be subtracted so as to get perfect square. Also find square root of the perfect square so obtained. Okay, so means what question is saying, what can be subtracted from this number to make it a perfect square. This is not a perfect square. Now we have to subtract a number which make it a perfect square. So first of all we will find out the square by long division method. Okay, so see here, again we will pair up. Now see, this is 32. Okay, so 6 are 36, so we will take for 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay, so now here we are getting 7, and this pair we will write down whole. Now see beta, here it is 5, we will add here, this will become 10. Okay, now we will check for this one. Now see, this is 10, we will check it for. Now if we will do it with the 7, 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7. Okay, so this is 57. It is 749. Remainder is 1 here. Okay, so what is this least number which must be subtracted from 3250 so that we can get a perfect square? So this is the 1. So what we will write? 1 is the, we will write here, 1 is the least number which must be subtracted from 3 3250 to get a perfect square. Okay, to get a perfect square. So 3250 minus 1 is 3249. Okay, now we will find out the square root of this new number also, because it is asked find the square, also find the square root of the perfect square. So obtained. This one is the perfect square which we obtained. Okay. Now see beta. After getting perfect square, its square root will remain 57. So let's check it. See here. 5 5s are 25. Okay. It will be 7 and 49 we will write here. Now 5 will be added, it will become 10. This is 7. 749. It is 0. So its square root will be 57. Okay.